Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. This is a little bit of a different kind of video. This is an unboxing of a subscription box. Spiritual Goodies reached out and asked if I wanted to unbox one of their boxes for you guys on my channel, and I of course said yes. So let me just give you a little overview of who Spiritual Goodies are and what it is. So this is a subscription box, a monthly subscription box that is all about personal development. It's designed to awaken your spirit and also bring more joy and positivity into your life. So this is the current March box, and there is an affirmation and a theme, which is I open my heart to receive healing and guidance from the dragon realm. It contains six unique items, an affirmation card, a meditation, and tips to help you connect with dragons. Also, if you like what you see, I do have a discount code. All right, I will put that in the description box, as well as all of the links that you will need to go check these guys out. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm so excited. I have not seen what's in here. I am so excited. So these start at $39.99 a month, but I think that's a really decent price of what you're getting, because I did the Lunarly box before, and that was, I think, a little bit more expensive than this. I can't quite recall, but I feel like that's a pretty decent price for a subscription box. And I would love to do more unboxing of subscription boxes that are more spiritual and witchy theme, because I always love those kinds of surprises. So let's get into it. All right. So they ship their boxes around the 11th of the month as well. So, ooh, okay. So this looks like the affirmation card. I open my heart to receive healing and guidance from the dragon realm. Oh, that's so cute. So you can use this all month to help you connect. And here is the affirmation again. And oh, this looks like a breakdown of what's inside here. And then here is your meditation, a guided meditation here, 10 to 15 minutes. Oh my gosh. And then you have a spiritual teacher spotlight. So this is somebody who you can connect with here. Wow. There is a website for that too. That's exciting. Okay. And then on the back, we have some information about dragons, invocations, sound and instruments, creativity and dreams, and a dragon altar. Oh my gosh. That's really cool. Okay, so let's dive in here. Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't want to touch anything because I'm really excited. All right. I have to say, packaged really nicely. Oh my. Oh, it's an oracle deck. What? Okay, so first of all, look at this. Healing Goodies glass work. Ooh, I'm going to break it. Right after I get it, I'm going to break it. Oh my gosh. It's a necklace. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to get the light here because it's probably not going to show up beautifully, but oh my goodness. It's a glass necklace. Oh, stunning. Okay. Beautiful. I'm going to try to put these out in a way that you can see them all. First of all, what? I had no idea. I mean, sometimes when I see subscription boxes that say that they have a tarot, like a tarot theme or whatever, it's just a card or maybe a couple cards that they pick out for you. But this is a whole deck, and it's one I don't have. So that's also exciting. This is the Dragon Path Oracle card, Oracle deck by Caroline Mitchell, illustrated by Terrace Veray. So, ooh, I think we're going to have to do a little review on this deck. That's exciting. A whole deck, all wrapped. That in this and this alone is your subscription box retail price. That's amazing. Okay. And then we have Sage and Dragon's Blood Smudge Bundle. Wow. I am going to call it a smoke stick, though. But this is beautiful. Banishing protection, personal empowerment, enriching love. Wow. And it looks like they're all smaller businesses that are correlated in here. What is this? Oh, wow. Dragon's Blood Infused Medallion. Can you see that? Wow. Look at how pretty. Oh, wow. It smells so good. This is adorable. What a fun box. Okay, so that was 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this? Ooh, and see, it's such a nice packaging job, I have to say. Like, nothing's broken. Everything's in one piece. But I'm going to drop and break it. So, there's that. Fire Dragon Empowerment Courage Creation. A blend of fragrance and essential oils, natural crystals in a coconut oil. Oh, would you look at that? Oh my goodness. Wow. I do have to say, it was mentioned that this is all cruelty free. So that I am all for. I am so for the cruelty free. I am for ethically sourced. I am for supporting small businesses. So those kind of subscription boxes, those are what I want to see. And I feel like this is that. It's beautifully done. I love the theme because, like, for me personally, a dragon theme is kind of what I want to look into a little bit more, work with that kind of energy, because as most of you know, I do more of the witchy tarot cards and the mermaid tarot cards, but like dragon theme is something that I don't have. This is interesting. Okay, I've got to smell it. And I know you can't smell, but it's a roller ball. Let's see. Ooh, okay. Oh my God, I wish you could smell it. It smells so nice. Oh my gosh. This will be great when I need a little bit more motivation and courage to get things done. So that'll be great. Oh my gosh. And the last thing here, right? Yes. The last thing. Oh, stop. Oh my God. This is gorgeous. It's a Selenite Wand. It is a Selenite Wand. Look at how beautiful that is. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited about this right now. It is gorgeous. All of the chakra stones wired on there. Look at the detail. Okay, so what I have to say about all of this, let me just move you down there. This is all stuff that I would never buy myself because, number one, I would feel guilty for purchasing stuff that maybe I don't need per se, or, I don't need to spend that right now on this or whatever and whatnot. But it's also curated for a theme. So that makes it so much better because now you have a whole skill set of just tools to use for a particular purpose. This is amazing. I would never buy this for myself. And so this to me is like a beautiful gift to myself if I were to have this subscription box. And what a wonderful surprise. Like, you get the theme. They let you know what the theme of the box is, but you can choose to not know what is in it. If I am correct, let me know if I'm not correct, but I'm so excited. This is beautiful. I don't have a negative thing to say because I do believe that these are all items that were curated from smaller businesses, because there's what I love too. I'm sorry, I'm just word vomiting, but like, you can go to that specific site of where this was curated. Like everything is here for you. So should you want more of these items, you can go to that website and purchase them. Like they're all listed here. So credits given, you can go and purchase more items from that shop if you love it. Like I'm going to go check out this place, myenchantedpath.com, and check out what other rollerball scents they have, because oh my gosh, it smells so good. So honestly, like just the sheer fact that you get a whole deck is phenomenal for the price, $39.99, right? So let's see. Oh, and it breaks down how much each item is retailing for. So when you add all of that up, that is much more than $39.99. Also, what I wanted to tell you is if this is something that you're interested in, we have a discount code. So it'll be $10 off your first box. So $10 off your first box, making that $29.99, which is literally a couple dollars more than what this deck costs. And you get all of this. That is amazing. I am thoroughly impressed. I am really liking all of the items here. I'm in my head trying to figure out what I'm going to do first with each one and how I'm going to use it. I love that you get this little item here to look through what each of the items do. This is amazing. This is really gorgeous. So yeah, you get instructions, you get everything here about each item. I am so impressed. I really love this. This is beautiful. Thank you so much to Spiritual Goodies for this experience. I'm excited to dive into it a lot more. Also, thank you for the discount code. If you guys are excited about it, let me know down in the comment section below what you think about this. Like, I am super duper in love. I'm like really excited about it. So that being said, thank you for watching. Thanks for hanging out. I'm going to definitely look forward to doing a video on this. I am so excited to start working with all of this. So let me know what you think. And as always, thank you for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of the video. And the discount code will be down in the description box, as well as the links to this subscription box. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.